Accelerate your project management career with PMP certification. Greetings, fellow project managers. Are you ready to take your career to the next level and get certified as a PMP professional? Of course you are. The PMP exam is a big investment of time and money, so you want to make sure that you're doing everything you can to pass. In this video, we share a checklist of the essential steps you need to take to prepare for the exam. So if you're serious about passing the PMP exam, this video is for you. A warm welcome to this informative and exciting video on the exam prep checklist. Preparation is the key to success, so let's dive right into the checklist. First, check your eligibility and certification requirements. Are you ready? Well, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you are eligible to take the exam. In the professional education criteria, you need to showcase 35 contact hours of education in project management. In addition, if you have a 4-year bachelor's degree or a global equivalent, you need a minimum of 36 months of work experience. And if you have a secondary degree, you must have 60 months, that is 5 years of work experience. Next up, review the PMP examination content outline and master the domains. Let's take a closer look at the new PMP examination content outline. Think of this as reading a project charter to understand the requirements before starting any project. The latest content outline focuses on 3 domains: people, process, and business environment. The people domain highlights the soft skills required to successfully lead a project team in today's dynamic environment. Process highlights the technical requirements for effective project management, and the business environment emphasizes the relationship between corporate strategy and initiatives. Enroll for PMP certification training course. Getting trained for the PMP certification course is the key to your success, and there are 2 great ways to do it. The first and best way is through a live and interactive instructor-led course with a PMI authorized training partner. In these engaging programs, industry experts provide hands-on training, clarify your doubts, and take you through fun activities to ensure that you're fully prepared for the exam. You'll also earn the 35 contact hours of education required to qualify for the PMP exam. If you're interested in enrolling in a PMI-approved training program, look no further than KnowledgeHut Upgrad, which offers top-notch PMP training. Check out the link in the description box below to learn more. But what if you need more flexibility in your training schedule? Well, don't worry, you can also opt for an on-demand self-learning program via authorized training partners. This way you can complete the training at your own pace without any time constraints. Plus, there are other ways to satisfy the 35 contact hours of education requirement, including PMI chapters, employer or company-sponsored programs, training companies or consultants, distance learning companies, and university or college academic and continuing education programs. So, what are you waiting for? Start training for the PMP certification exam today. Now that you're ready to get trained for the PMP certification exam, it's time to prepare a study plan. Why is this important? Well, just like any project, you need a plan to cover all the activities, or else you risk falling off track. But don't worry, creating a study plan can be a fun and engaging process. First, list the methods that you use to walk away from distractions and stay focused. Share your tips in the comment section below. Do you use time management techniques, meditation, or some energizing music? Let us know in the comment section below. Break down your study sessions into smaller, manageable chunks and allocate your time effectively based on your work schedule. Create a study routine with no excuses and make sure to fit in multiple practice sessions. This way you won't feel overwhelmed and you can make steady progress towards your goal. Remember, a study plan curated by an expert can make a huge difference in your success. But even if you create your own plan, if you stick to it and make steady progress, you'll be well on your way to acing the PMP certification exam. As a project manager, you're familiar with creating work breakdown structures. Well, think of your study plan as a similar structure, breaking down your study activities into smaller, more manageable tasks. And just like that, with any project, staying organized and on track is key to success. So let's start planning. The path to success starts with knowing the latest updates in the field, and that means studying the PMBOK guide. Don't miss any critical information that could be included in the latest edition published most recently. Plus, there are other reference guides on the PMI website that will help you ace your PMP exam. Share the study materials that work best for you in the comment section. And if you want more recommendations, please check out the most helpful PMP books in the article linked in the description. Practice makes you perfect, especially when it comes to the PMP exam. Access to a large pool of questions will reinforce your understanding of PMP concepts, processes, and best practices. These question banks provide a large pool of questions to practice with, helping you build confidence and reduce exam-related anxiety. Practice tests are designed to gauge your level of preparation, identify any gaps in your domain knowledge, and prepare you for the real exam conditions. Don't miss out on the opportunity to try the free PMP practice tests offered by KnowledgeHut Upgrad. With over 100 plus questions ranging from beginner to advanced levels, you'll get the practice you need to ace the PMP exam. The link to the practice test is in the description below. Challenge yourself and see how well you perform. Alright, it's time to gear up and get ready for the PMP exam. But sitting through a 4-hour exam can be quite a challenge, both physically and mentally. And that's where full-length PMP exam simulations come in. Picture this. You're in a simulated exam environment. The timer starts ticking, and you're faced with a series of challenging questions. These simulations not only help you get a feel of the exam format, but also sharpen your time management skills. They allow you to practice answering questions within the given time limits, ensuring you are well prepared to handle the real deal. But that's not all. PMP Exam Simulators also give you a taste of the exam's difficulty level. By exposing yourself to these realistic scenarios, you can assess your readiness, identify any knowledge gaps, and fine-tune your understanding of the subject matter. Let's crush this PMP exam together. Now let's face it, studying alone can sometimes feel lonely. And that's why it's important to connect with other PMP aspirants and learn from their experiences. So I encourage you to join study groups and discussion forums where you can collaborate with like-minded individuals who are also on their PMP journey. Study groups and forums provide a supportive community where you can share insights, ask questions, and tackle scenario-based questions together. Remember, you are not alone on this journey, and the collective knowledge and support of a study group can be invaluable. While there are plenty of resources available online, it can be challenging to identify credible ones. And that's why signing up with a well-established training provider like KnowledgeHut Upgrad can be a game changer. With a solid study plan, the right study materials, mental guidance, and experts to reach out to, you'll be well on your way to acing your PMP exam and becoming a certified project management professional. Remember, success in the PMP exam requires dedication, preparation, and the right resources. With our checklist and the support of the project management community, you can confidently take the next step in your career and achieve your goals as a certified PMP. Thank you for watching this video on the exam prep checklist. If you find it helpful, please share it with your friends who are looking to fast-track their project management careers. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful videos. Good luck on your PMP journey.